Well, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to install applications directly to your SD card on your Samsung phone. So if you swipe up and then you type in files, you can see your SD card on here and how much information you have on here. So I only have 64 gigabytes and I can store apps on here very easily. So what I want to do is go down from the top right and go to settings. Scroll all the way down to the bottom. And I want to go to About Phone. Click this, scroll on down, and go to where it says Software Information. Click this. Now locate build number, and click this 5 times. And this is going to unlock the developer mode. So we can go back now, go all the way down, and you can see under About Phone now is developer options. So we want to click this now. And we can scroll on down and we are looking for an option called Force Allow Apps External. So it might be difficult to find, so I'm just going to go to search and type in Force space Allow on External. So here it is, Developer Options, Force Allow on External. And this could just scroll all the way down to it for me. Now I can turn this on. Makes any app eligible to be written to external storage regardless of manifest value. So it should be installing now onto my SD card. So if I go ahead and just download it, I can go ahead and just try now and it should download there. So there's something wrong with the Google Play Store, but you can just swipe up and go to Files now, go to My Files, and you can see your SD card and the storage on here. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.